How to clear data validation in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. As you can see, I have data validation in sales. Now, to remove that, simply select the cell where there is data validation. Then, at the top, simply click on data, and then in here you'll find data validation. Click on it. Click on data validation again. Now, you'll find allow. Below allow, there is list. Now, simply expand and click on any value. Then press on OK. After that, data validation will be removed and you will be able to add anything as you want. And this is how to clear data validation in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.